like and subscribe. Donate to the Ramen Raider, link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got something from Singapore. This is Nissin Foods with their jumbo seafood chili crab variety. Oh wait, I did this all wrong. Man, I totally did this wrong. Let's restart. Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one from Nissin Singapore. This is Irvins. It's a collaboration with the Irvins, the snack chip people that bring you salted egg chips. This is just their regular salted egg flavor noodle, which I made the salted egg super spicy weaponized formula the other day. This one is just regular spicy, so yeah. And I come to you with a heavy heart and sadness today because we had a death in the family. Yes, one of my favorite bowls broke. And I am saddened and verklempt. But what do you do? How long do I do this for? Two to 3 minutes, and you will indeed 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, and you will indeed get to watch it boil in the pot, and I'm sure I will burn myself or cause myself some kind of bodily injury, so we'll get to that in a moment. Okay. But, oh wait. No bodily injury today, folks. Look at me. Wow. Clap for me. Anyways. Yeah, so how goes it? I made an attempt today to get some Christmas presents, but I had no luck with it. Why, you ask? Why, I'll tell you why. Because I left and I went to the town over, and then I got there and then I realized I didn't have time to get back and to be able to do reviews and stuff, and it kind of bummed me out, so there you go. And I really don't want to make this boil over. But yeah, I had a nice conversation with the esteemed friend, colleague, and author, Matthew Bella. He has a website. You can go to MatthewBellah.com and find out about his doings and his amazing stuff. Published author, folks. Published author. So yeah. But yeah, cooking some noodles. Really bummed about my bowl, but what am I gonna do? It happens. It happens from time to time. It hasn't happened in a long time, but sometimes it does happen, and that's that. What do you do? It's windy. Some people are without power currently, but not me. No, sir. I have the power. Better grab my incredible edible eggs out of the fridge. There we go. Those will be a thing in this production. What we got? 26 seconds. And then I realized today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. So I'm gonna be cooking. I got a schedule. I got a quota. I gotta do what I gotta do in a small amount of time that I got to do it. But that's okay. Alright. Now we will drain the noodle, as it were. So this episode was going to be, this is the first one I'm doing today, but it's supposed to be the third, because what happened is I realized the one that was going to be the first used 400 mils of water, and this one you just drain. So I figured, oh man, I got to start over. And then I thought, well, wait a second, why don't I just do the third one first? So yes, I kind of screwed up a little bit, but that's okay. Now, I made the salted egg spicy the other day, and the family was like, what's that smell? What's that smell I smell? They didn't like the smell of it. I was kind of surprised, but no, they weren't big fans. So it's like, I think what happens is the sachet from these emanates that salted egg scent. So once I'm done with everything I'm doing today, I will take the trash out and they will be happy. So yeah. But I like it. I like these noodles too. They're really light. They've got a nice little collapsy kind of tooth to them. But this should just be straight salted egg flavor, which I like that as well. And as with the other one, it does have the little egg bits. They say to put that on at the end. So what I'll do, like the last one, is I'll put them on when I garnish and then give it a taste after I'm done doing the garnishing, after I'm gone and all ready to cook the next one. So here we are. That's freaking good, folks. I really don't think there's much necessity to make these spicy. I mean, it doesn't like ruin it to make it spicy, but I think just the straight salted egg flavor is really quite good. I know it's been very popular for quite a while. I do like that. Now I'm going to do the little eggy crumbs. And we got, we'll do spring onion now. Now we're going to add an egg. Here comes egg. Hope you're ready. These are actually my favorite freaking eggs. That redness of that yolk, I like that. I think you guys should go on top. Uh-oh. That means there's an emergency. Somewhere there's an emergency. I don't know what the emergency is, but it's happening and it's somewhere. towel wanted to make a dive into the sink. I need the paper towel. Okay, we got that, that. We're gonna go with some sesame seed. I think that kind of works in this very well. Do we want some chili crisp? I really don't think any extra heat is necessary. Maybe some crushed red pepper would be nice. But it's not like... I think that's good. All right, 1 down. 2 more to go. Which will be episodes you'll see before this. That's why there's the error screen at the beginning. Alright, yeah, so the one I was initially supposed to do, which was going to be the first, is this. And this is the chili crab jumbo seafood variety by the same company. I'm going to do like all the Nissin Singapore stuff I got because the box of it is massive and I just need to make more room in the living room. But that episode came out 2 episodes ago as far as you're going to see it. So, yeah. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Have a good one, and bye.